Chapter 14 Birds. Hello, kids. Today we are learning about birds. Birds have wings and feathers. Some birds can fly high in the sky. Let's meet them one by one. This is a parrot. It is green and talks. Parrots are colorful and can copy our voice. This is an eagle. It flies very high. The eagle has sharp eyes and is very strong. This is a pigeon. It carries messages. Pigeons are friendly and live in cities and villages. This is a hen. It lays eggs. Hens live on farms and give us eggs. This is an owl. It can see at night. Owls are wise and hunt in the dark. This is a peacock. It has a beautiful tail. The peacock is our national bird. It loves to dance in the rain. Great job, kids! Birds are lovely. Birds can fly, some on trees and some in the sky.